All right, this is how you replace a keycap engraving with a different one. So first thing you do, take off the plate. When you get the plate, don't lose your screws. You're gonna take a screwdriver and you're gonna slide it in and it will pop off the keypad. So you can see how it kind of popped off. So now we're gonna take our new ones, and the new ones have an LED and have the button and the two little tabs. So you're gonna take those, the LED is gonna go on the right, and you're gonna slide it on like that. And you slide in the next one, and that's how you replace the keypad. And you just put the plate back on, and everything will be good. And that's it.